How to delete TikTok videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can delete TikTok videos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to basically delete TikTok videos, open up the TikTok application over here. Then just come to the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then you can select a certain videos that maybe you would like to delete. After that, tap the three dots option from the bottom right of that video. Then simply scroll all the way until you get to the delete button. So you can tap on delete option, then just tap the delete option here and your TikTok video will get successfully deleted. You can also repeat the process for any of the other videos that might be available over there. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically delete TikTok videos. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.